Ever wonder how a custom retail fixture or display goes from an initial concept to fully installed? Well, here are the 10 steps to bring your next idea to life. Step 1. Ideation. Every great fixture or display starts with understanding the space, identifying its purpose in that space, and your goals and vision for the customer experience. Step 2. Design. Professional designers translate your vision into detailed concepts that balance aesthetics, functionality, and brand identity. Step 3. Prototyping and engineering. Ideas become technical specs, and prototypes are modeled or built to test the functionality before you go into full production. Step 4. Material selection and budgeting. Selecting the right materials for durability, for appearance, and for cost effectiveness ensures your project stays on budget. Step 5. Manufacturing. Your fixtures are built through local manufacturing. We're talking metal fabrication, millwork, acrylics, and glass, and it's all coordinated in-house. Step 6. Finishing. Paint, stain, powder coating, vinyl wrapping, and other finishing touches transform raw materials into polished, branded elements. Step 7. Logistics. Careful packaging, shipping, and scheduling ensures everything arrives safely and on time for installation. Step 8. Storage. For multi-location rollouts, short-term storage keeps everything on hand until each location is prepped and ready. Step 9. Installation. Expert installers complete the build-out, transforming empty spaces into fully realized environments. And if you're in a live environment, they'll do it with limited disruption to the shoppers. And finally, Step 10. Merchandising. The final step places all of the goods in the right places on the shelves. But of course, merchandising isn't one and done. It's an ongoing process that focuses on cross-merchandising opportunities, managing the flow of assortment throughout the season, and the seasonal and holiday turnovers throughout the year. When every step of the process is led by a single partner, the result is a frictionless process that saves you time and reduces headaches. Visit Canada'sBestStoreFixtures.com to see how we can help you bring your retail strategies to life.